for today, it is chapter 7. So it is on individual and group decision making. There is a stage whereby you have to make decision. When you make decision, there are two types of decision. One is individual decision. The second one is group decision making. When you are given assignment, for example, what project you are going to do, each one of you as the member of the group will have your own suggestion. But at the end of the day, based on your discussion in the group, you need to agree with only one decision. So basically, when we decide things, we need to consider not only what we want to be, but also the group others' decision as well. Out of all these decisions, then we pick the right one. And normally, if you are not the leader, you will have less burden. But if you are leader, you will have the most burdens, yeah. Like your lecturer here lah. I was the leader for the Sambutan Hari Raya. So whenever there are decisions, those who are commentating thought that I am the one who is choosing that who is deciding. No, actually, I already opened the ideas, and out of all ideas, we come to agreement to choose one particular place, which is GA. For example, just now, when you make decision making, rational decision making, there are 4 stages in rational decision making. The first stage is identifying the problem or opportunity. In making decision, the first thing is actually what is the problem that we are going to solve. This is the rational decision making model. What are the problems? Basically, we need to figure out, we need to understand what is the problem that we need to solve. So that is what we call identification. Secondly, how to solve that problem. This is what we call think up, find the answers, solution. So first we identify, second, what are the solutions, third, how effective, when we choose that solution, how effective it is in solving the issue. So we need to measure it, we need to evaluate it. So first identify, second think up, the third one is evaluate. And once we are sure that that decision is the most appropriate one, for example, in the case of having Hari Raya and Pesta Keamatan, we have 4 choices. Dewan Kuliah, second is Pusat Islam, third is Laman Graduan, and fourth is GA. Of these 4 choices, finally we choose GA. So we already actually do the evaluation. If we use GA, it will solve our issue of finding a place to do the program. And finally, we implement it. Now, for Raya Keamatan, we already implemented it from 8 o'clock in the morning until 2 o'clock this afternoon. It settles already. And I found that there are very few people commented it, but most people enjoy the day. Most people feeling grateful with us for running the program effectively. So these are the 4 stages, rational decision making. And what's wrong with the rational model? Actually, there are nothing wrong with rational model. People normally, as I said, not many in the number of 10, not all are going to agree with us. Not all are going to agree with us. As long as we can justify our decision, there is nothing wrong with rational model. Non-rational decision making, managers find it difficult to make optimal decision. Rational versus non-rational. Non-rational means we start with not many people agree with us, but what is the best for solving the issues, the problem? So we go for the best solution.